Welcome to Digitech Dynamo. Today we'll demonstrate a simple yet exciting Arduino project. In this project, we'll control two LEDs and display their status on an I2C LCD. Let's dive in. This project uses an Arduino board, two LEDs, a 16x2 I2C LCD module, and a few connecting wires. We'll program the LEDs to turn on and off sequentially while showing their status on the LCD. Code explanation. Here's the Arduino code we used. Let's quickly walk through the main parts. Initialization. We define the LED pins and initialize the LCD. Setup function. The LCD displays a startup message and static labels. Loop function. The LEDs are turned on and off alternately, and the LCD updates their status in real time. Now let's see it in action. First, the LCD shows Digitech Dynamo for 3 seconds. Then it switches to show LED 1, LED 2 status with the status of each LED displayed below. LED 1 turns on and LED 2 turns off for 4 seconds. Then LED 1 turns off and LED 2 turns on for 3 seconds. This cycle repeats continuously. Conclusion, and that's how you can control LEDs and display their status on an LCD using Arduino. This project is great for beginners to learn about controlling LEDs and interfacing with an I2C LCD. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Digitech Dynamo for more exciting projects.